Ikea haul. Got this for $14.99, and this one was $10.99. So we are going to organize the bathroom. Oh, this corner specifically, and that window. Wish me luck. And now for the after. All clean, reorganized. That little corner. My washroom is tiny, but this is perfect. It holds everything in one place, so as we need it, we just grab it while we're in the shower. And there's plenty of room. Move the curtain. There's plenty of room to get in. Plenty of room to get in and out, so that works perfect. And the windowsill is clean, and towels are where they belong, on a hanging thingy behind the door. All organized, all clean. Everybody's got a home. Feeling fresh, feeling good. So again, that's from Ikea, and that was $14.99, and it took maybe 3 minutes to assembly. It was really quick, really simple. Same with that one. It was even quicker and easier to put together because there are no screws of any sort on this one. So very, very happy with it. This little toothpaste holder, oh my god, this thing is magic. $14.99 on Amazon. You just put your toothbrush in and it squirts it out, and you don't have to worry about working the tube. So very happy with my my organization. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.